Here we will write a program to explain working of join method in thread synchronization. Here we will define two methods. First method 1, so public void method 1, and inside this method first I will print the message method 1 started. Then I will use sleep method for this method, so thread.sleep for 1000 millisecond, that is 1 second, and again I will print another message method 1 ended. Then I will write another method method 2. Here also I will print the message method 2 started. Again I will wait for 1 second, so thread.sleep, and again I will print the message method 2 ended. Then in main method I will create object for class program. Then I will start these two threads. So thread 1 equal to new thread and new thread start for p dot method 1. Then I will start thread 2. For this I will create object for thread class. So thread 2 equal to new thread with new thread start and p dot method 2. Then I will start thread 1. So thread 1 dot start, then thread 2 dot start. Before that I will write here message main thread started, and then after thread 1 and thread 2 start I will use join method here. So thread 1 dot join and thread 2 dot join, and then I will again print the message main thread ended. Then I will execute this. Here first main thread is started, thread 1 and thread 2 are executed, and then lastly main thread ends its execution. If I comment these two lines, that is join method, and again I execute, first it will execute main thread started, then thread 1 started, and again main thread ended, and then again thread 1 and 2 are executed. That is, if we use join method, then main thread is started first, it will wait until all the child thread complete their execution, and then main thread will stop its execution. And if we don't use the join method, main thread complete its own execution first, and then child threads are executed. That is, if I remove this join method, here first main thread started, and when all the thread execution is completed, main thread will stop the execution.